y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with a clean out, and it is gigantic. So I'm going to jump right into this. There's a ton. This may be 2 videos. There's some things that I cleaned out that already went to their homes before I could get this videoed, and those were the Naked Cherry. That was a big fat fail for me. I could not get that to work for me. It just made me look like I had conjunctivitis. So I gave the Naked Cherry palette to one of my nieces who will be beautiful in it. I gave away an Hourglass blush to my sister because I want her to know how good the Hourglass blushes are. She needed blush and I got excited. So I cleaned out an Hourglass blush, but I know that she will love that. So I cleaned those out before I started this video, and I'm just gonna jump right into this. I'm tossing this highlighter that I loved. This is the Revolution Vivid. The lid fell off. I could make myself use it and, you know, put it together with ponytail holders and stuff, but it's just clumsy, and I have about 20 highlighters. This is a great highlighter though. I really enjoyed it. It doesn't look like I used it that much, but I did. I like to illuminate blushes with this, powders with this. I just have so many that I'm not going to struggle with a case that's broken. Okay, I am passing on this NYX Mauve lip liner because I have to work too hard at it. It's too stiff for me. People love these though, y'all. I'm in the minority, and that is so pretty. It's a dupe for Whirl, but I have to, you know, I just kind of have to work to get that on. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody that will probably love it. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Lancome liner that is in Black Lapis. It's a black with navy blue. I didn't mean to get one in a blue. That's what it looks like. And so I won't use that, but I sure do. I love the Lancome liners. So that's nice. I'm excited to be able to give that to somebody that will use it. Okay, then I'm passing on, or I probably will be throwing away this. It's a Marc Jacobs highlighting pen. You push through the bottom and it comes off the top. I used to use these for highlighting and color correcting. I never picked this up, and it's over a year old. I just cannot see myself using that. It's messy, it's old, so yeah, I'm just tossing it. Okay, next, I am tossing these liners, these Urban Decay liners. I love the Urban Decay Waterline liner and the Glide-On liners, but I'm getting real picky about how long I keep my eyeliners because my eyes are so sensitive. And something that goes right by the eye, like a waterline liner, I'm not going to keep these over a year. You know, putting that in the waterline. I have another one. I replaced this, but I'm tossing that because it's old. And the same with the Glide-Ons. These were one of the first things I ever bought when I started watching YouTube. So they're probably 2 years old. Okay, next I'm tossing this Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. This is very good, but I don't ever pick this up. I pick all of my other concealers up over this one, and I don't want it taking up space. I never use it. So yeah, I thought I'd use that as a color corrector, but I just never do. I just never, ever pick that up. Okay, then I'm passing on this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This was on the chopping block for a long time, and I thought I'd come back to it. I remember I did not like the finish it gave on me. It was a little bit not enough cover and a little bit luminous, I think. And I just didn't like it. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody that probably will love it. Same story with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. It gave me the same kind of cover, if I'm remembering correctly, as the CoverGirl. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, then I'm passing on this Sunbeam by Benefit. I'm not going to pick up a liquid. I'm going to pick up a powder because it's faster and easier. That is beautiful though. Okay, next I have more waterline liners. These are all old. That was a good lesson for me. You know, I don't want a drawer full of backup eyeliners. You know, I can't use that many eyeliners that fast. Okay, I'm cleaning out this MAC Prep and Prime, and this one is in Light Boost. I loved the Radiant Rose for a color corrector, and I think that's what I thought I was buying. And this is old, and the product sits up in this brush, so I can't keep it fresh. So this is old. I have other things I'm using, so I'm going to toss that. Okay, y'all, I'm passing on a ton of little single L'Oreal and NYX eyeshadows. I thought I would carry these in my purse. I don't. I don't know what to do with these. They're like little aliens. I don't know where to put them. I might keep one of these for my purse just because I used to use these and they're just special to me because this was what I used when I started my channel. I loved these. I'm going to hold one of these. Okay, next, some eyeshadow palettes. I'm passing on this Pretty Cool palette. I've used this once and the shadows are great. They are pigmented, they go on great, but they could not be more neutral. I know I will not pick this up because all it is a neutral palette. And then it doesn't have a white bright enough for my lid and my brow bone. And it says cool, but those don't really strike me as that cool. Great eyeshadows. I know, I can tell you right here and now, I will never pick that up. Okay, next, I'm passing on one of my Milani palettes. I'm keeping 3 that I love. I'm passing this one on because I don't use these colors. But when I do want these colors, I've got my Huda Mauves. So this already has a home that is very excited about getting it. Then I'm tossing this Lorac Pro. I love this palette and I have reordered it. This was my daughter's that I stole from her. She got a lot of use out of this. But it's just old. This is an old palette. It looks like it's breeding bacteria as we speak. So I have replaced it, but I'm tossing this one. That is probably from 2008. Okay, then I'm passing on another Milani. When I use it, it is great. When I use it, I love it. I never pick this up. I haven't had it that long. I can't see myself picking it up. It's just too neutral to catch my eye with so many others to pick from. Okay, next I'm tossing a couple of these Morphe M504s. Yeah, M504s. I got these at Ulta, washed them one time. Look how fluffy and fuzzy they got. This one's not as bad. But those are too fat for me to blend my eyeshadow with. They start out looking more like that. And that's borderline too big, but as a final blend, yeah, oh, that's still nice. And I love my Morphe M504, but once they get big and fuzzy, I can't use them. Okay, then I'm throwing out this Morphe B3. This is a buffing brush that I used to carry in my purse. This sheds like crazy. I always get little black hairs all over my face with this. I just tested it right before I videoed this. Little black hairs all over my face. Okay, I am passing on or tossing these travel size brushes. These are too small even for travel. When I'm on the road, these are not big enough to do anything on my big face. Okay, I'm tossing this Lano Cream Bee Venom face mask. I loved this when I used it, but I never habitually used this. I know a lot of ladies love this, and I love the way this stings on my face, but I just don't pick it up. I have too many other things. It's old, and I just don't use it, so yeah, I'm tossing the Bee Cream. Okay, I'm passing on this Gold Bond neck and chest cream because it has sodium hyaluronate, which dries me out. I saved some things with that in it, but I don't want to overload on it. So I'm going to pass this neck cream on. Okay, I am passing on this Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I know this is real good. That a lot of people love this, so I definitely will find a home for that. But I don't use it. This might have made my under eyes puffy. I puff real easy. Okay, next, I'm tossing my Obagi Clear. Or I may pass this on because of the hydroquinone in it. I kept this to use on the back of my hands, and my eyes hurt so bad. Nothing clears your skin up like hydroquinone. But if you have sensitive eyes, just watch that. Watch for that. It took me a long time to realize what it was that was making my eyes hurt. It works so good, I want to use it, and then it makes my eyes hurt. Along with that clear, I'm passing on another backup clear. Another reason not to buy backups. You never know if you're ever going to use it. And 2 blenders. Okay, I am passing on this Timeless Eye Cream that I know is fabulous. I know this works great. Several people have said this removed crepiness from their eyes, has hyaluronic acid, so it makes my eyes crepey. This is a good eye cream. I already have a home for it. Y'all, all these cans are Big Sexy Root Pump Plus. My people that have been with me for a long time may be shocked by this. I don't use this anymore. I used this in a time when I wanted my hair stiffer and pretty much bigger. I don't think I'm wearing it as big anymore, or I'm getting my volume other places. I've also found a root pump I like better than this that's not as stiff. I'm in Texas. I can find some other people that want big hair and don't mind stiff. So I'm going to pass these on to friends and relatives. They may be stocking stuffers next year. Okay, next I'm passing on this Living Proof In-Shower Styler. This is for air drying your hair, and it's supposed to air dry your hair nice with nice waves, I think. I never go natural. I'll pass this on to my daughter. She does. She has naturally wavy hair, so I'm going to pass this on to her. Then I'm passing on this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I'm a Shea Moisture fan, but I like the Trader Joe's hair mask better. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody that will actually get some use. This is practically brand new. I used it once, so I'll pass this on. Somebody will love that. Okay, and that is everything I'm cleaning out right now to make space. Again, these are not bad products. They're just things that I'm not picking up or got old, and for one reason or another, they're just not getting used. So anyway, that is my clean out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.